So hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here, and I welcome you all after a long time. So you all must be well and good. And you must be wondering that where I was gone. So actually I was unwell and I was not able to make videos for my channel. So I'm back in service. So today I've got with a brand new video. So let's get started. So friends, in this video actually I'm going to show you something old. So this is an old specimen of moss which I had rehydrated. If I think back, I have done this couple of days before. So when I checked this water sample, it was filled with ciliates. So it happened as if that I have cultured those ciliates. They were uncountable ciliates, and I also found an aeolosoma worm in this water sample. So I have recorded that video yesterday, so I'm going to show you that video, how it was. And with my naked eye also I can see some organisms swarming this water. So this is some ciliates. So let me show you that footage. So as you all can see the video, so there are uncountable ciliates swarming this drop of water. So as you all can clearly see the organisms, and here comes our aeolosoma also. So I have shown this organisms in my previous videos also. So if you haven't checked my channel, please check it if you are new, and if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe it for more videos. So friends, as you all can see that this one drop of water has many organisms in it. So it has been like a culture of the ciliates. So friends, this much for today. I hope that you have enjoyed my video. So stay safe. Let's meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.